Okay, we showed you some filmage where we were running the dyno and trying to test these new little pickups that we just put on, that we got from California. And they go right down here on that little valve, the servo valve. So the little pickup's right down there, and it clocks when this wheel goes around so it knows where to put it. And then this machine is another servo over there. So yeah, so that's what we're doing, trying to get this absorber to take a load, and that controls the load of water going in and out of the absorber. We're having a few issues there. When you were watching us, we had to shut off once because we didn't have anything going with the gauges on the computer, but it turned out to be pretty minor. We had moved the table over and missed a connection on the backside. So we ended up getting our gauges back. So we shut things off and put it back on again. We did have a couple of water leaks. We were leaking from a couple little valves down here. So we took them apart. They had old nipples in them. We changed them, put some new nipples in and Teflon. So that kind of cured the leak there. You can see that these particular ones have like a quick coupler here. Don't know why they've got a quick coupler there, because they really don't need one, because there's no reason to quick couple that. But the quick couplers are leaking right around the edge of them. So we will end up replacing them just with pipe and tie it right in to get rid of those leaks. They leak a little bit more when you put a load on the absorber and start spitting a little water out, and of course it spits it out on these valves below, which we really don't need. It didn't look like much in the video, but the testing actually was good. At first on the one video, the absorber was putting a load on, but it wasn't holding the load. And then after that, we adjust the dial on the board, and I think we turned it too much, because then it was wanting to put too much of a load on it and almost, well, pretty much it did stall the motor. It's a 305 with not a whole bunch of torque, so that absorber should have no problem whatsoever handling this 305. The second video, we did run it again, you'll see, and in that video you can hear the load more on the motor, and it's holding it down and stuff. So yeah, we made some pretty good progress there. We did have an accelerator pump leaking here on this. We kind of let it leak for the time being. I'm going to pull that off here and fix it soon before we fire up again. The motor almost sounded like it was missing. Could have been a combination. It sounded like we were running out of fuel. You'll see in the one video. So we added some more fuel to it. I think we got an issue with the fuel pressure regulator. It wasn't looking right on the gauge, so we're going to have to deal with that also. But I just wanted to basically get it fired up to see if we were in the right direction and the absorber was holding the load. So anyway, it did end up holding the load, and it was acting a lot more like it should have been when we were dialing it in. So once we fix these couple little water leaks like I mentioned down there, and fix our fuel leak, and we'll have a look at this pressure gauge and stuff, then we will start making some more pulls with this and get it dialed in. But it looks like it's coming along good now. When this water stinks, you'll see, or stinks, when this water sits, it is well water sitting in these tanks. And as it sits too long, especially without being cycled, you will get a foul odor from it. We put bleach in it to clean it up. Eventually, once we're all set up and organized and have our little screens and filters on here, we'll probably go to start using the same things they use in hot tubs and pools, kind of chlorine and stuff like that. But anyway, that's what we got in there. And now to try and keep it not from smelling too bad, that's what we did with our other dyno, and it seemed to work fine. So other than that, yeah, that's kind of the rundown on what's going on with the dyno. We got these, I found a couple of these in California, so we had them sent out, and They were sent out in a bag with some seals. So it was one little envelope we received from California, and they nailed us like $180 US to ship it. Yeah, so shipping's getting brutal. A couple little bearings in there, but yeah, 180 bucks. It's US. So yeah. Anyway, I thought I'd complain about that while we're on here. But anyway, I'll run this video before you see the other videos, and you'll kind of know what's going on in them and what we're doing, because we're kind of dealing with some issues and not explaining it well enough, so you kind of know what's going on there. So yeah, at this point it seems to be coming along good. The second video, no, I haven't been drinking it. The second video, you can hear the motor get pulled down quite a bit, and yeah, the dyno is actually working like it should. This unit right here is what reads the torque on there and then sends that information back to the video, and it all gets converted to horsepower. But no, I think we've just about got it. I think we fixed our little leaks with a couple more fittings. We dial in the absorber. Yeah, then we should be pretty well set to start putting some bigger horsepower engines on here. We'll play with this one a little bit more till we get it all dialed in how we want it and make sure it's working right. And then we got a 540 that we'll be sticking on here and start to make some pulls with that. And then we got a small block 383 to go on after that. So we'll show you guys some runs on that stuff. But anyway, yeah, I'll post this video for you guys first, and then you'll kind of understand the other two videos behind it, which don't show a whole bunch, but they show a little bit. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, we are back after a few weeks, and we have senders sent to us from California, and we're going to go see if it actually works and holds a load now. So we're just priming the water pump and opening up the fan box on the outside, and then we'll fire it up and see. The new servo senders worked on a test run. We could tell they were working all right with the servo there. So we'll see now if it will actually hold the load. Apparently our water's not smelling too good right now. We put a bunch of bleach in it to make it smell nice. Anytime the water sits too long, it gets a little stinky.
I didn't think it smelled bad, and then I got it in my hands. It's terrible. Yeah.
That's not good. Not good. But it smells. Don't get it on your hands. You got to pull it in. But once it does one feed, then we're good.
What didn't help? Oh. Yeah, I just dumped it in the hose last one time.
Yeah, we did that too. It's just not going to take on the hose.
Oh, I see. It doesn't have enough water to kick on. So then we apply it. Once you get that circulating, it helps. It doesn't circulate then. Did ya? Whenever you want to check fuel pump.
I'm trading this tank, so a little quicker.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get that valve and fix that.
Yeah. Because there's a chance that it might work, and a chance it might not work. But once it's on once and works, then it seems to be good.
So then really, how much water are we actually getting from here? And when it's sitting there, how much is actually just feeding back?
Well, a little bit.
I think most of it.
Right now, I think if it had its prime, I think a lot of it's coming from the tank. Not this.
Yeah.
Could be wrong on that, but you see that little black marker? That's about where it kicks on at.
Yeah.
We got about 3 more inches to go.
Unless the guy just hits that float in there.
Yeah, that would work.
I wonder what we have
Your hand? No, we got something that's got a, like,
wire.
ugh.
Oh man, that does
Really stink.
Here, I'll just grab it with this and hit that.
Did you get it there?
I don't think we got any gauges whatsoever.
Even a regular temperature?
See if he picks it up. When he doesn't get one.
See that doesn't.
What do you want?
Just that switch off, that ground off. We've changed all our grounds around.
on the ignition. We checked the throttle already. We already checked it. I checked it already.
Yeah, check her again just in case. I was just.
I want you to pump fuel in.
Ah.
Was it working the whole way?
Again?
Yeah.
Okay, do it one more time. Okay.
Come on now, Chris.
I should build a mechanical stop and adjustable bolt. Could. Do we need to unhook the battery? What's that?
Kill the battery, yeah.
Okay. Okay, battery's off.
Okay. So turn the battery back on, I guess.
Okay, battery's on.
Okay.
Well, no, it was last week when we tried the other sender.
Sensor,
We
yeah.
changed the grounds long before that.
Well, I wonder what happened there. I don't think anything changed other than wired in that sensor down there. That's just a position sensor. Oh, but what the fuck is that? But that noise. Take yours off for a second.
Try shutting it off and turning it back on, well. That swivel still acting correct over there?
Right, but they stay in black line to black line.
Say what? Well, that's why I took them off.
That one, what are you
I
doing?
didn't do any ground.
Shit out of this, that creatine or whatever. Look at it.
Creatine?
Something like that.
Creatine is good for you.
Okay, hang on. Feel tight or, I don't know, something that builds up in chimneys, lights on fire and burns houses out. That's why you gotta have your chimney clean. It gets rid of trials, I don't know. Something.
Less creatine, and I'm going to be eating that shit right
Yeah,
now.
well, you can do that. I think it kills you, but there's bleach in that, don't drink that. I am gonna yell at you.
Oh, really? Where was it? Laying down here? Oh, we didn't see any missing, so was it when we moved it over?
It must have been, man.
That looks like it might be too short
Yeah.
because of the zip tie.
Yeah, so probably came on
It
plug.
probably pulled it out.
Yeah.
Well, at least you found it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it goes right there.
There we go.
There we go.
It might not now.
It might.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Green.
Is it? Well, we'll see when the program Yeah, we're good now.
Want to move the throttle?
Yeah, I got orange. Orange. Down green.
What's that? Well, we can hook the ground back up. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, you got it. The hearing's not that good, but it's a little louder.
We just took 220.
Hey. Come on, bud.
Down there, boy. I guess this is where your food's at. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, furry face, come here. Yeah, we got a water leak, so we're gonna have to fix that too, so.
Well, it is loading in a leak.
Yeah, it is. It might just be this. No, it's dripping from up here. I see it dripping from up high here. Right around here. Well, right there. So maybe a guy that tightens them flat? Maybe. Might be down sequel.
8 or 10.
That'd be an 8. 8? Yeah, or 5/16.
Want a wrench or
Go with the socket.
Right? No, we don't know. This servo breaks from gauge.
No. And but when you wrap it up a bit, push through the water pressure thing, so it just locks here for this. And these really go like that. Yeah, we can wire them, yeah. So far, pretty good. This one's wet too, so. But I am seeing 2 drops along down. See it, yeah, over in this side too. Yeah, I go there, you're wet, your hand's wet, yeah. And I think it's actually leaking above the clamp here. Oh, shit. I think so. And yeah, you can't get that fucking cinder wet. Right. Unless it's sealed really good. Oh, and that's probably why they got all that silicone on it. Yeah, so I don't know if we need to seal that some or protect it more. Because there's water right beside it, right? Right. Yeah, and if it gets wet, then they don't work. I got a full turn on it. So are these wires all like this before this? What do you mean? Tinfoil? Yes. They're all exposed like that? What do you mean? Just like they are now, they have no casing on them or nothing? They have casing, but I know this down there, oh, what the hell? They're all, 2, you notice how 2 go on the top, 2 go on the bottom? Yeah. Yeah, they're shielded. They're shielded. Okay. That's how they are from factory, but I don't have that stuff, so I just use what we have. Right. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but. Yeah, did you get some pipes out there? Yeah, both of them. Oh, both of them? Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, then maybe leave it that way. Let me wipe that up, and then we'll tell. Yeah, no, you know where it's leaking right around where it couples. Oh, I guess we'll have to drain it and take it all apart. Yeah, I think we might have to hook that in solid because I'm pretty sure it's leaking one spot around where it couples here. Oh. You can see water in there, no leak. I'm pretty sure it's leaking in there. You get it running though, and I'll have a look at what the seeds are. Okay. Well, wait, how come this is not? You know what? It's not doing anything at the moment. Should be fine. Should be good. Ready? Yeah, because you'd be letting water in and out, right? Yeah, right now I'm letting it out, so then I'm going to put some cold water in it. Ready? But I wonder what thermostat, I wonder where it does it on its own. Or if it does do it on its own. Yeah, it will. Well, it might not, it won't cycle it on its own. No, I don't think so.
No, we always had to empty the cycle the tower.
That's what I thought, yeah.
To cool the tower down.
Yeah. But then why do you got this? It's a temperature thing. I thought it should be automatic.
that attitude.
Yeah, if you want to try firing it up, that's not good. Look at all that shit in the cycle. Yeah, this one is dripping too. If you want to fire it up and bring it up to a little more RPM, I'll just see how bad it's pissing out of there. But they're both dripping. I think we're going to have to fix them both. Yeah, we're not going to have anything to fix them. It's got a quick coupler on it. It's the coupler. We need to get rid of the coupler, I think.
What's on that?
Right. Wow, we are not reading temp anywhere, right?
Okay. Let's try this again.
I seen 140 yesterday. 202 foot-pounds. I seen it on the street. Normally on the other dynos it's bang on.
Right.
I don't know on this one exactly or not. sound like it has a miss. Is that sound like it has a miss? Like a, yeah, right. That could hear
Yeah, it sounded like maybe open, but it was running out of fuel too, so.
And yeah, the oil pressure gauge is either fucked or it has oil.
Yeah, it's got oil pressure because I was just looking at the mechanical gauge.
Yeah.
yeah.
So the fuel gauge.
Yeah, we're up around there. Fuel gauge and our oil pressure and our water temper. We got about 2 meters.
That'll be enough for what we're trying to do.
Yeah.
Let's see if it'll go below.
Oh yeah. That's like how it was like.
Yeah, the fuel is down, bouncing right around zero and going like this, so maybe it's just not. Yeah. Yeah, it's pulling out the back vocal. Yeah, it's got to be stuck. Yeah, yeah, there's something about it. It's like quarter of the ground. Yeah, it's not the road I remember now. I'll drop it.
You got it? Fires!
Probably got a crusty accelerator pump. Yeah. We'll fire it up. Yeah, probably what that sound is that we're hearing.
Too much fuel going in or
Yeah.
not enough. So.
We'll fire it up quick while I just want to look. Huh?
What's going on? No good? No good?
No, accelerator pump.
Oh.
We'll end up having to pull it off, but I'm just going to fire it up once.
Okay. Yeah, we'll fix them valves next week or when we get back. We got to put more of a load on that, just about more water, right? Yeah. Well, we'll pull that accelerator off and fix it, but it's getting close now. We just dial in that load, because it was holding the load. It just couldn't quite hold it, yeah. So, I think if we dial in with that dial a little bit more, we'll get it. But we better fix all our other little problems first. Yeah. Really good. Shut it off?
Yeah, I think so, Chris.